Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add variable products in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need to go to our products and from there we can start creating our products. First, make sure that you have the variation swatches that allow or that adds many features for your products. So if you don't have it, you can go to the plugins and from there you can install or add new plugin and search for the variation swatches. So just type variation swatches and you will have it there, and then you will need just to click on install, and after that you will need to activate the plugin. So now let's go back to our products and let's just click on add new product so we can create uh, a variable products. So here I'm just going to name it a variable and you can give it some description, and basically here in the product data you will need to go and search for variable products. And as you can see, by variable products you will have attributes that will be added to it. For simple products we can have this, and then you can give it some swatches to customize the variations for it, and then you will need to add some attributes. So I already have some attributes added. You can give it, for example, a brand name. You can give a size, for example. I'm just going to add, and those are my variables here. And after that you can start uh, and basically we need to already add in variation, and those are the values. I already have this one, and I'm just going to add also this one, B12, and I'm going to select them all, and I'm just going to create, I have them here. And now we need also to add, for example, like this, and I'm just going to save the attributes. Now we can have our variation, and from there you can start generate variation that you want. So as you can see, I'm just going to click on OK, and now you can create your variation based on these attributes. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.